My name is Corinne. I am one of the childcare tutors in the Manchester region, and I nominated Tiny Steps Nursery because this is an outstanding nursery that Paragon have worked with for a number of years. They have given us a lot of apprentices over the years, and those apprentices have been kept on. For example, one of my apprentices is now studying for a level 5 and is the deputy manager of the nursery. Tiny Steps are really dedicated to staff development. They do Feed Forward Friday when they talk about what's gone well and focuses for the following week. And they also have a really big focus on staff well-being and making sure that they've got a happy team.
Tiny Steps believe that each child is unique, and it has been their mission to tailor their approach to meet their individual needs and interests. Their commitment to fostering creativity, critical thinking and a love of learning is what sets them apart. Their curriculum encourages exploration and discovery, allowing each child to develop their natural curiosity. Through their carefully crafted programs, they strive to build not only academic skills, but also social skills, self-confidence and independence. Receiving this nomination is a testament to the dedication and hard work of their incredible team of teachers, administrators and support staff, and of course the collaboration with Paragon Skills. They are the heart and soul of their preschool, and their unwavering commitment to the growth and development of every child is truly remarkable. Together, let us inspire a generation of young minds to thrive, dream and embrace the joy of learning.
So I nominated Childcare because I really enjoy working with the central L&D team. Kieran and Jess have been really proactive in the approach to supporting the learners with apprenticeships. For me, it's just so important that learners are given the opportunity to develop their skills and behaviours by using apprenticeship training programs.
So I'm Jess. I'm a training instructor and admin assistant for Childcare, who's recently been taken over by Aspris, and this is Kieran.
Yeah, so I'm the lead trainer and team leader for the learning and development team within Sandcastle. So I oversee the coordination of the apprenticeships. We're delighted that our staff have been recognised for the hard work and commitment that they do, not just within their practitioner roles, but also within the L&D. So it's the Royal We. And as an ambassador of apprenticeship programs, we actively seek out further qualifications for our staff team. So one of the things that we're now starting to do is roll out a leadership program and aspirational careers, which opens up more opportunity for apprenticeships across the wider company.